So welcome back to Chemistry 1407 lab, isolation of casein. What is casein? Casein is a protein that we find in milk. So most of the protein in milk is casein. So being a protein molecule, protein molecules are made up of amino acids. Amino acids, here you can see a chiral carbon. Why is a chiral carbon? Because it's attached to 4 different groups. And amino acids, because this is an amine group and this is a carboxylic group, that's why I named it amino acid. And protein will be made up of, like here, we have here 2 amino acids. So this we can say dipeptide. What is peptide? Peptide is the bond between the 2 amino acids. So here you can see that the NCC, the repetitive central, the essential skeletal, bond of the protein. So this is an example of the dipeptide. So protein is very important for human body. Protein, most of the part right after water, most of the human body is made up of protein. So like our hair, nail, and of course our essential processes like hormone and enzymes, all are made up of protein molecule.
Right.
So this lab is about isolating the protein of the milk casein. How do we do that? Usually in a protein molecule, and a protein gets denatured if you add acid to it. So the bonds break, the protein, we say it exists as micelle. So the micelle will break down, the bubble will pop, and a whole part of it will settle down at the bottom. So that's how we can isolate the casein from the milk. So that's the lab, all about the lab.
Essentially.
So
when it comes to dieting, it's important to maintain the amount of protein you're eating. You don't want to go on a protein diet. That will cause your muscles to waste away. Because we have seen protein is an essential part of the diet. It controls a lot of things in your body. So if you go on a low protein diet, you're just going to waste away. You won't look fit. You won't look toned. You actually look malnourished. So when you see kids who are malnourished with protein, it's because they're not getting enough protein in their diet.
yeah.
Let's go ahead and go on to the actual
To start with, so we weighed about 10 gram of the milk powder, and we added 100 ml of water to make this suspension.
Mm-hmm.
So we have the milk suspension. What we're gonna do next is take the medicine cup. With it, how much of rehydrated milk we need?
Okay, so you're going to record the weight of the medicine cup, and then you're going to add 10 milliliters of rehydrated milk.
Okay.
And then record the weight of the milk and the cup.
Okay. So let me take 10 ml right from here. The medicine cup is graduated.
Graduation means it has marks for you to read the volume. It doesn't mean that it graduated from a program.
You're right.
Mm-hmm.
Then we have this right here, and let's see the pH of this suspension.
Oh, we have the pH paper right here. Get it out?
Let's take the pH paper and touch the pH paper like this to see. Okay, see the change in the pH paper. Now, what will be next? Denaturing that. So we're gonna add some acetic acid. How many drops do we need?
It says you add it dropwise until the precipitate ceases to form.
All right. So you're going to take directly from the vinegar. And we have to keep stirring it, right?
All right.
So
So you added dropouts and you observe. It should be thickening and separating.
Yeah, you see already it's coagulating. So let's keep adding. Okay. See, this is the casein settling down at the bottom. The suspension. Do we need more? Almost done, right?
It looks like it's almost done.
Yeah, yeah. Let's see. So, next what we are going to do is
Test the pH.
Yep.
Let me give you another pH paper. We have enough to go around.
Let me just wipe it out. I have the pH paper right here. There you go. We see some change.
Okay.
So that would be something. Now all we have to do is filter out this casein from this suspension.
And we're filtering it into a different medicine cup. Oh.
So this is this. Let's, can you hold this for me this way?
Oh, they want to have a weighed filter paper, so we need to weigh the filter paper.
Let me take one. Let's weigh it. Okay, wait. Hold that nicely. Put there. Hold it right here. And then slowly start to filter this. Hold this for a minute.
Okay.
So I'll take the whole casein there. The lab is quite simple. This, trying to take all of it. All of it. Can we wash this? This will leave protein. We can wash this, right?
Yeah.
With water. If you need, you can wash this with water and make sure to take all of the solid part. Take it like that. There you go. We took as much as possible. You can use water too. So that's this. And
so it's supposed to take this, once it's drained, it's supposed to take out the filter paper and your casein and allow it to dry. So you want to store it somewhere safe. Allow it to dry overnight. It says in a dry location away from pets, children, and food sources. And then you will weigh the dried filter paper and casein the next day. Make sure it's dry and record the mass and data table.
Yep, that's how you can get the percentage of casein in milk. Now you can use other samples like non-fat milk, skim milk, or any other milk to see the percentage of the casein.
If you want to make this very interesting, you can look at it's milkshakes and stuff that supposedly have very high protein and test to see if the percentage you get matches what's on the label. Then you can call the company.
Exactly. So that's it. Thank you.
Thank you.